Hi, I'm Ning and suffering from breast CA, but and what do you call this back pain and low BP. So I was so grateful after 10 days. This is my 10th day, and I was so glad that uh, my BP uh, become normal, 120/80. My back pain has improved to normal, and my wounds in the breast cease. It becomes smaller than before I came here. So I thank God for the tree of life that they taught me how to to really know. This is an eye opener for me to really know what is the right eating habit that we must do. And hopefully, uh, more, they can help, Tree of Life can help more patients suffering from diseases. And that's all. Thank you and God bless you, Tree of Life.